one is good for area for scaffolding. This scaffolding no collapse. This scaffolding no pulling. Like that. So you have to plan. Planning. What is your plan? Job done, safety. Everybody is this area is safe for worker. That is your plan. Second, provide material. Good materials, tube and coupler, pipe, soulboard, everything is there. You must be provided. And then, rata should be scaffolder malum. Competency of personnel involved. Malum. Mati malum. Muskila. Mungkin scaffolding collapse. That is the problem. That is the cause of accident. Totally damaged. Because this company need